Did you notice the real estate sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.03, while momentum is up to plus 0.34? That's quite an unusual shift, especially considering how it contrasts with our historical data. This uptick tells us that there's a growing optimism in the real estate sector, and it could indicate a change in buyer interest or market dynamics. Our API returns rich sentiment insights, including detailed semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying factors driving these shifts. For instance, you could leverage this data to refine your property investment strategy, targeting areas with increased buyer sentiment and momentum. Dive deeper into the data and start building informed applications today at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.